Richard here from Assembled Style. Actually, you know what? Just skip the intro. It's a chill video today. As you guys can see, I'm in my car, I'm driving, doing some errands, but I feel like I owe you guys an apology in terms of the stuff that I've been putting out lately. The thing is, YouTube, the algorithm has made me their bitch, man. I'll be real. Lately it's just been to please the algorithm rather than producing stuff that I want to produce or stuff that's actually helpful. And I don't know, this is kind of like a video of me just going back to that. So today we're going to be thrifting. Oh wow, look at this tool bag with the toupee and the sports car. Let's see if he wants to run it real quick.
Things. I don't own a lot of things, but I love going to do cool things. If it was the other way around, so if I had a fancy house with, you know, fancy furniture.
Okay, so while we wait for that, I think it's a good time to explain what's been happening with this whole channel thing. All right, so when I first started this whole YouTube thing, it was just purely out of, you know, just passion and curiosity, and whatever I uploaded, I just uploaded. I didn't think about the algorithm, what would do well. I just did it out of pure fun, joy, and I kind of lost that, you know, in the process of it. I mean, lately, you know, you guys know it's been about reviews back to back, and I just grew very tired of doing that kind of stuff. And not that I don't enjoy doing product video reviews, but I sort of just became just a t-shirt review channel, and the algorithm is what really, you know, got me to start like pushing out that type of content like back to back. And I am gonna go back to like my roots of what I used to do back in the day, of my how-to content. It doesn't matter if I get like 2 or 3 views or 5 likes. It doesn't matter, man. I just want to put out content that, you know, that is helpful to you guys and that I enjoy making. So for now, review videos are kind of taking the back burner for a little bit, but yeah, I just wanted to get that out there for you guys. It's not all gonna be about t-shirts. I don't know about you guys, but I'm still very amused whenever I go into a car wash. I don't know, it's like it's kind of like therapeutic in a way. Look at that. All right, guys, first Goodwill. Remember, I'm gonna try to keep it at least $20 or so and under. So let's see what they got. I'm gonna try to be discreet while I'm filming. It's been a while since I've done this in public, so let's get to it. Thrift store sucked, but I didn't make it out empty-handed. Hold on a second, I'm trying to show you the price. So I got these. This was like $5 and it was half off, so we got it for $2.50. I'm not gonna tell you which brand, but it's a well-known brand. I'll show you everything at the studio, but we're gonna head to another Goodwill and hopefully they have a bigger selection than what we just saw right now. And yeah, let's get to it.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I didn't get much footage in the second one because there was so many people. I set my camera on my car and someone knocked it down. But we did get some stuff, and I'm gonna show you everything when we get back to the studio. We're back. So didn't get much footage at the second Goodwill, but I managed to pick like a base outfit for what I'm about to layer this with. So I got this blue and white striped shirt. This is by Bogi Milano. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that brand, but they make some very good stuff. I have a few blazers from them. Now the pants are very difficult to shop for in a thrift store because it's all over the place, right? But for me, I ended up finding this pair of trousers, and this is by a custom tailor shop called Jack Custom Tailors. I'm not familiar with that brand, but what drew me to pick these up were the side tabs and the cuffs, and the fit wasn't too far off from what I'm accustomed to. So, you know, I really wanted to make it work for this video, so these are the only pair of pants that fit decently. Now moving on to the blazers, I would have stopped here. I would have just picked up the blazers and just left this, but I picked up this blazer. This one is by Abito Sartorial, and it has, I believe this is what, a Super 120s VBC fabric, Glen plaid check. Very nice. What can I say about this? I'm surprised on how well it fits me. This is obviously a custom made piece for whoever donated this, but yeah, it has the exact same options that I would choose in a custom blazer, you know, with the slightly wide notch lapels, double vents. I always get double vents, and yeah, it's not too tight, not too loose. I don't even think I'm gonna get this tailored, but this cost me $7. Pretty nice. The next piece, I'm not entirely sure if it's vintage, but this is by Polo Ralph Lauren, and this is their Italian made blazer. And let me show you the composition. So it's made out of 65% camel and 35% silk. So this is very nice. This stuck out to me, like in the whole rack of blazers that they had on the racks. But this fits pretty darn good too, and it feels so nice. And I got it for $7. Yes, guys, $7. It is possible to build a great, you know, quality outfit if you just took the time to search around rather than resorting to those fast fashion stores. Dude, just take a weekend, one day, and just look around. You'll be surprised on the stuff that you can find. And if you can't, I highly suggest you go on Poshmark. A lot of you guys have used my sign-up code. I'll leave it in the link down below. But if you sign up for Poshmark, you get like $10 worth of credit, and then I get some $10 too, and we both can be thrift shopping online. Now, I don't know if these would be the find of the day. Let me know in the comments what is the best piece that I picked up from today's thrift. But didn't have much luck with the shoes until I dug around a little bit and I came across these wingtips by Thursday Boots. Yes, Thursday Boots. Now, they were a little bit beat up before. I did have to do a little quick polish and, you know, repaint the heel dressing. These do need a resole, but these were $2.50. Yes, guys, Goodyear welted. Yeah, these are, believe it or not, these are like my first pair of Thursday Boots shoes, actually. So maybe I'll pick up a pair of boots one day and actually do you know, a review for you guys, really. But, you know, I heard nothing but great things from them. So hey guys, that's what I picked up. I don't think we did too bad today. I think these are pretty, you know, decent outfits really for a business casual look, and we didn't spend so much money. A little over 20 bucks if I would have just ditched a blazer. But I think it came out good. I think we did good. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a little B-roll action of the outfits put together. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.